Hey everyone, I'm Pearlynsia, and today I'm going to be doing a review on a product called BURST Oral Care. It's supposed to be equivalent to a Sonicare toothbrush. This is like my open box review. I'm going to open it up and let you know what I think about it. So, this is what it came in, the package. Open it up real quick. This is the shipping package, I'm sorry. And it comes with, this is the box. This is the box first, and it came with some coconut whitening strips. Don't know if you can see that or not. I think you can. Okay, so let's open up the box. Okay, I saw this online. I was looking for just oral care in general. I've been using Sonicare for years, and I got a really good discount. I went to go look up online, and there was a dentist who was doing a like discount code, and I think it originally was $60 something. I think I got this toothbrush for like $30 something. So you can't beat that. You can't beat getting a $30 automatic brush. You can't beat it at all. And then what's good about BURST Oral Care is that you don't have to go and look for any of your brushes. You can, they'll charge you $6 every few months. This data could be inaccurate, so I'll update anything that I need to update down below in the box if need be. But anyway, so let's see what's in the box. So I open the box. This is what's in here. I don't know if you can see or not. Uh-oh. And we have a thank you from BURST. And don't do what I did. Like, actually get some scissors and not be ratchet. This is the actual brush head. So what's interesting about this brush head is that the bristles, they're soft. I like a little bit of a rough feel, but that's just me because I want to feel like my teeth are really clean. I think that the Sonicare brushes bristles are very firm, and that's what I like, but I'm gonna still try this out anyway because I could be hurting my teeth. And these bristles, from my research, are charcoal bristles, so embedded inside the toothbrush bristles. So I think that's pretty interesting. And we're going to just connect this. Let's see if I have anything. Oh, it feels strong. It feels pretty powerful. So let's get these buttons together. According to the book, see this? The first one that I just put it on is for whitening. The second one is for sensitive teeth. And the third one is for massage. This is letting you know that it's charging. So there's a gap. I think this is probably a good design feature because with Sonicare, I don't know if it touches or not, but it's kind of like to the point where, and I think it does, like when it touches, and then after so long of using it, I have to actually maneuver my brush, the top of the brush, to actually get the pressure that I was, or getting the speed that I was getting before. So we're gonna see, and I'm gonna use this for real. Like, I mean, you really can't beat this. I'm gonna give you the link to the dentist who I got the coupon code for. I don't have a coupon code. I bought this with my own money. Just simply a consumer out here looking for other options because Sonicare's toothbrush are very expensive. We'll see. I'm gonna let y'all know if I really like it or not. You know what? The only thing I would say that's not in here, y'all. Oh man. Let me check the box before I say something crazy. I've searched the box high and low. There's nothing in here. BURST. There is no hygiene cap. Y'all, that's really important. There is no hygiene cap on this thing. That's not a complaint. I'm gonna just use my Sonicare tops, okay? And you know, in this day and age, you can buy everything off Amazon, so I'm sure it's some generic little hygiene tops. I don't think it's not a reason not to purchase it. Like I said, Sonicare, I think when I bought my toothbrushes from them, it was like $100 and almost $200 back in the day when I had bought it for $30-something. And it has a really good pulse. Just listen to it. The only thing I don't like is how many times you have to hit it to get back. But it's not a deal breaker. For me getting it for $30-something with that discount, child, okay? And another thing that I like about Burst, I would say, so when I got this package delivered to me, it told me it was in the mail. It had been delivered specifically. And I think like the next day I noticed that it had been delivered. I went to the mailbox. Child, this package said, "Find me." It was nowhere to be found. USPS was like, "Child, you gotta wait an hour and a half to talk to an agent. Goodbye. Ain't nobody got time for that." So I called Burst. A lady picked up right away. It really was equivalent to like somebody at the house telling me, "Hey girl, you know, like a little small business," but I like that. It rung like twice and she was like, "Hello, this is Ashley or Alicia from Burst. How may I help you?" Told her my situation. I mean, we was off that phone in less than 5 minutes. Do you hear me? I told her exactly what happened. She said, "Don't worry about it. I'm gonna send you another one free of charge." And before I could even agree, like, she didn't ask me my consent. She was just like, "I'm gonna send you another one," and then on my phone it was like, boop, you have ordered a Burst. And she was like, "Just look at your receipt, $0. It'll be shipped out in a couple of days." Perfect. Looked at what she said, no charge, of course. And she didn't even question, really, anything. So, and then, yeah, got my package. So I like Burst for that. Really good customer service. And yeah, I would give them a thumbs up. Like, even if the toothbrush isn't really all of that, I spent way more money on things that, are like one-time uses. And I'm sure I'm going to get use out of this toothbrush. Like, it's no way. I don't know if the charcoal bristles really matter. I doubt they do. I've seen dentists kind of go back and forth on that. So, about using charcoal on your teeth and wearing down your enamel. But we'll get on a whole nother day because, I'm not a dentist and I don't want no problems from y'all. Toothbrush, and it's like I'm one of those little toothbrush caps I told you about earlier. Sliding it on now, I don't care. So I'm gonna keep brushing my teeth with it for the next couple of weeks to see how I feel about it. Give it 30 days to see what I feel about it, and if nothing goes wrong, y'all won't hear from me. But I think it's fine. It's a toothbrush. Listen, y'all, if y'all liked my open box review on the Burst toothbrush, like this video, subscribe to my channel, because I have so much more to come. I do cook, I do a little bit of, I do a little bit of this, that, and the third. The main thing I do is cooking. And then I'm gonna do more of these type of things. I'm really into hygiene. Like, I'm really, really into hygiene, natural, as much as I possibly can, and affordability. Like, who wants to spend $200 on a toothbrush? We're gonna see. I like it though. I mean, I think it's cute. The bristles are soft. If you have sensitive teeth, then this may be for you, but even not, I'm gonna try something a little different. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all until next time. Bye.